Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm here today to show you how to register your version of CrossOver. And if you're looking to download CrossOver, just head over to our website. Robin, if you could make yourself useful and post that link in the chat, if you'd be so kind. Great, thanks. Well, good, let's get going. For this tutorial, we're assuming you've already purchased your copy of CrossOver. When you run the application again, you will be prompted to register by entering your email and password. Then click Unlock. Congratulations, you've unlocked CrossOver, and in doing so, you're supporting the Wine Project. Pretty easy, huh? I like to think so. Robin, we still good? I still need to look up what liege means.